our great-great-grandfathers were ready to leave behind a civilization that failed them and trek into the wild to meet wild animals, lions, elephants, sickness, illness, and many other challenges. Ready to risk it all. And where were their thoughts? How will we write our constitution? Those are the words of Piet Uys, one of the leaders of the Great Trek. He knew something very specifically. What he knew was, it's not a constitution that makes a people. It is a people that makes a constitution. As we stand in South Africa in challenging circumstances today, we know something as well. That the people that we surround ourselves with must be the kind of people that doesn't need a constitution to govern them, but chooses to establish a constitution to order civilization. In Orania, in the community of Orania in South Africa, we already started to create a new alternative, as our great ancestors did, when they chose challenges instead of easiness, when they chose hard times instead of comfort.